The transformative journey of a 7-day water fast. Water fasting, the practice of abstaining from all food and drink except for water, is an ancient and intriguing method of detoxification and self-discovery. While it has been lauded for its potential health benefits, undertaking a 7-day water fast is a profound experience that dramatically affects the body, mind, and spirit. This essay delves into the fascinating physiological and psychological transformations that occur during a week-long water fast. Day 1. The initial adjustment. The first day of a water fast is often marked by a sense of excitement and apprehension. As the body enters a state of fasting, it begins to rely on stored glycogen, primarily in the liver and muscles, for energy. This shift can cause mild headaches, irritability, and hunger pangs as blood sugar levels drop. However, the body is still functioning largely as usual, drawing on the glucose reserves readily available from the last meals. Day 2. 3. Entering ketosis. By the second and third days, the body's glycogen stores are nearly depleted, and it begins to transition into a state of ketosis. Ketosis is a metabolic state where the liver converts fats into ketones, which become the primary energy source. This shift can be accompanied by a range of symptoms known as the keto flu, including fatigue, dizziness, and nausea. Despite these initial discomforts, ketosis marks a significant metabolic milestone, signaling the body's ability to adapt and utilize fat for fuel efficiently. Day 4. The rise of autophagy. Around the fourth day, a remarkable process called autophagy intensifies. Autophagy, derived from the Greek words for self-eating, is the body's way of cleaning out damaged cells and regenerating new ones. This process is crucial for cellular health and longevity, as it helps remove toxins, repair cellular damage, and optimize function. During this stage, many fasters report a heightened sense of mental clarity and a surprising burst of energy, as the body becomes more adept at utilizing ketones and the brain benefits from this cleaner, more efficient fuel source. Day 5. 6. Deep cellular repair. As the fast progresses into the 5th and 6th days, the body continues to benefit from enhanced autophagy and ketosis. Inflammation markers tend to decrease, leading to a reduction in chronic inflammation and the associated risks of various diseases. The immune system gets a significant boost as well, as old and dysfunctional immune cells are recycled and replaced. This deep cellular repair can also have anti-aging effects, promoting healthier skin, improved digestion, and overall enhanced well-being. Day 7. Completion and transition. The final day of a 7-day water fast is often marked by a profound sense of accomplishment and reflection. Physically, the body has undergone significant transformations, shifting from a state of glucose dependence to fat adaptation and extensive cellular renewal. Mentally and emotionally, the faster might experience a heightened sense of self-awareness and a deeper connection to their body's innate wisdom. Reintroducing food must be done gradually and mindfully to avoid overwhelming the digestive system, which has been in a state of rest. The psychological journey. Beyond the physiological changes, a 7-day water fast is also a deeply psychological journey. Fasting can bring about a heightened state of mindfulness and introspection, as the usual distractions of food preparation and consumption are absent. Many people find that their relationship with food is profoundly transformed, gaining a newfound appreciation for nourishment and a clearer understanding of hunger and satiety. Conclusion: the transformative power of fasting. In conclusion, a 7-day water fast is a powerful and transformative experience that affects the body on multiple levels. From the initial adaptation to ketosis and the rise of autophagy to the deep cellular repair and psychological insights gained, fasting offers a unique opportunity for holistic healing and rejuvenation. While it is not without its challenges and should be approached with caution and medical supervision, the potential benefits of a carefully conducted water fast are profound, offering a path to greater health, vitality, and self-discovery.